Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Andrea here, and today I'm going to go to the Tate Modern to see a very interesting installation with flying objects inside the museum. Everyone seems to talk a lot about in these days. I was triggered by this and now I'm really looking forward to sketch them. So let's go. It's a bit windy today, but I want to try to go there by boat. So there is a service in London called the Thames Boat. Now it's run by Uber, I think, and it brings me from my nearest pier in Battersea Power Station, about 10 minutes away from my home, directly to the pier in front of the Tate Modern. Look at how wonderful the day is. It's a perfect day for a boat ride. Okay, that's a bit expensive, but for the experience, worth it. Actually, this boat is quite different from the last one I took. It's much more stable. I remember when I sketched on the old boat, it was almost impossible because of the vibration. But with this one, I might try to do one inside the boat. Done a very quick sketch under 10 minutes of the inside of the boat. So this is the sketch. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So I still have around 10 minutes to the arrival, and I will spend this time a little bit wandering around and see how it is outside. So let's go. So we have arrived at Bankside, the pier in front of the Tate Modern. So behind me in here is the Tate Modern, and next to it we have the Globe, which is the famous theatre where Shakespeare used to perform. So they are really close to each other, and in a nice day you can visit them both. And I've arrived at the entrance of the Tate Modern. Now let's go and find the flying objects. I'm inside the turbine hall. This is a huge space. It's 6 floors tall, and he once hosted the big machines in the power station. and now it's a big exhibition space for Tate Modern. And many artists in the past have exhibited here, and now it's one of the most visited space in the world. And look at what I have in front of me. Aren't they amazing? And that's it. These are the flying balloons that I've seen in so many pictures. So these are part of an installation by the artist Anicka Yi. And the meaning of this is supposed to refer to a vision of a future where the machines are becoming a living entity. And the vision is really to recreate and to understand how could be a world where machines become the new life form of the earth. Quite mind-blowing as a concept, and I really like it, and I'm looking forward to sketch one of these now. The problem is these moves quite a lot, so I need to find a place, and maybe I will sketch a couple of them in this hall. Yeah, let's go and find a spot. That's it, I've done the sketch for today. As you can see here, I did the balloons in the foreground with some people in the ground that watching them. I didn't put too many details in the background to let my subjects highlighted. I will put this in the comments below and let me know if you like or not this sketch and this installation in general. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want to see more content like this in the future. And that's all for today. I will see you in the next sketch.